Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the SoundPEATS Bluetooth earphones, which are waterproof. This is a set of Bluetooth earphones which are not true wireless, but great for if you have an active lifestyle and you're expecting to be running in the rain or getting some splashes on your earphones. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Right then, packaging is fairly simple. It's nice and cardboardy. There's very little plastic that I can see at the moment. Little plastic lip keeping the box closed. And on the front you can see the SoundPEATS branding and the information that this is the Power of Sound Advanced 5.0 SBC codec, so I'm assuming that refers to Bluetooth. And sound for urban sports. Sounds familiar. Right, let's see what's in the box. So you open up the box and you're presented with SoundPEATS in the middle of a cardboard cutout. Let's open this up and see. Oh, okay. So this is a little pouch with a zip for the earphones themselves. Let's see what else is in the box. Set of different earbuds, earplugs for the Bluetooth earphones, and a clip. So if you're wanting to clip them to your clothing just for extra safety, you can do so. There is a USB-A to micro USB cable because that's how they charge. And let's have a look at what's in the packaging here. Logo update. Please be noted that SoundPEATS brand logo is being upgraded. The newly produced SoundPEATS products are transferred to the new logo. So there's an old logo which looks very like Urbanista, a brand that we have worked with here at the Tech Travel Geeks and that do an excellent pair of true wireless earphones, the Urbanista Paris. We'll link to that in the description. And the new SoundPEATS logo, which is more like a Superman or an HTML5 logo. Customer care card and the details on these Bluetooth wireless earphones in many languages. So lots of documentation in there, lots of extras. Let's get down to the earphones themselves. So these are of the magnetic variety. So they have clips here for going on. I'm going to take the plastic off. And so nice little strap cabling between the two earphones. This is enough to go around the back of your neck. And it also has a controller here with volume up and down, play button, and details of the device here. So what I'm going to do is charge these up, set them up with an iPhone and an Android device, and then give you some first impressions once I've done so. So bear with me a moment. Right then, I've just finished trying out the SoundPEATS Value earphones, because apparently that's what they're called. That's how they identify via Bluetooth, and that seems to be what the name is on all the documentation. I've paired them both with my iPhone 11 and with my Google Pixel 4 XL, just to balance things out between iOS and Android, and I'm pleasantly surprised by how good the sound quality is for a pair of earphones which have a recommended retail price of £25, but are actually selling on Amazon for about £15 at the moment. So really good value for money for about £15–16. And if you're an Amazon Prime subscriber, you get free next day delivery. Now, controls are very clear, very easy to use. On-off button when long held, and for pairing, volume up and down. Double tapping for click works. The magnetic side of things is not like the one we have seen on other earphones. So earphones, for example, from Umidigi, or earphones we've seen from Huawei and Honor. When they clip together magnetically on those devices, they pause the music or cut the Bluetooth connection. With these, on the other hand, when you do that, nothing seems to happen. And I've tested that both on iOS and Android. But apart from that, sound quality is excellent. For once, I haven't had to change the earbuds whilst setting them up. this medium size that is already pre-applied fits perfectly in my ear. But obviously that's very subjective to you as a person as to how well that will work. But overall, the SoundPEATS Value Bluetooth sports earphones are good value for money and good sound quality. Obviously, we don't know what the battery life is like yet, but we will be writing a full review on the Tech Travel Geeks website soon. So, if you have any further questions or would like to know other things about these SoundPEATS Value earphones, leave us a comment in just below the YouTube video, or give us a like. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, obviously you'll get more of these videos and you'll be supporting us. So thank you for watching and speak to you soon.